going to start a new series. ZZ Takeoff is improving more and more and more. It seems like every day we got updates and features, and it's just becoming even more remarkable. And the users are just taking it to the max. I love it. And I thought what we should do is probably start an advanced series for developing in ZZ Takeoff. And we're going to start off probably in first gear and then kick it into second gear. So we're going to cover some of the advanced features. And one of the things that you might find very handy is to import a bunch of templates at one time. Okay, and so I have this template, let's see, this Excel spreadsheet. And right now, when you import into ZZ from an Excel for your templates, you have really just type and name. That's it. But what if I want to assign cost codes and bring those cost codes in when I bring in all these templates? That way, everything can be cost coded. I don't have to go through each individual item and do that. So, what I'll show you here in ZZ is we're going to create a new library for this. Okay, and we'll call it TOS because we will toss this after this. And now we have a new library, and we want to batch import a bunch of templates. And you can see we only have two columns, name and type, but I want cost code. So here, let's cancel this, and then we'll go up here to your settings in your, I guess I'll call it a T, it's for my name there. And then we'll hit settings, and we're going to add a custom property, a new property, custom property, and let's name it accounting codes. Okay. If I said cost codes, I think that's already kind of built into the DNA of this, so I'm using something a little better. Accounting codes, cost, I don't know, just anything so you can see how this works, okay? But we're going to make it a text, and we're going to apply it to all takeoffs, okay? We don't have to have a group. You don't have to if you want to assign it to like an accounting group or something. So if you're adding more than one or two, then you can have that group together. But for now, I'm just going to hit save, and then we're going to go here. And now what you need to do is kind of look at this. Now when I hit batch import or insert, you see I have accounting codes over here. So I can go back to I'll cancel this for now. I go back to my Excel, and I'm just going to copy a few. I can copy all of them if you want, but I'm just going to go ahead and hit that and go Control C. And now go back to my ZZ Takeoff. I've got this here. I'm going to go ahead and batch insert items, and then Control V, allow me to paste it. I'm going to name it a folder. Let's call it TOS. Okay, and I brought in a folder. Your types should be account, area. In fact, you could hit this drop down and you could see all the possibilities here, okay? But this is account, so I'm going to use that, and that's how it's going to come into my templates. Hit add takeoffs, and now I have this folder that says TOS, and I have all these, and if you look in here, you're going to see that my cost code is here, okay? Wonderful. And now, because it's at the takeoff template, whenever I add items and parts and pieces, it's going to carry that cost code down with me. That's a choice I made. You can make for accounting codes at the item level and have it separate your labor from your materials, or different materials have different cost codes. That's up to you. But for this, we just wanted to go ahead and batch insert some columns out of Excel into ZZ Takeoff. And you can have as many columns or custom properties that you would like to import. So my recommendation would to be build them in Excel, give everything you want to put in there, cost codes, you can have locations, you can have what phase it goes into. I mean, there's divisions, all kinds of stuff. Build it in Excel and then import it into ZZ Takeoff. Okay, we got a bunch more videos coming, so make sure you check them all out. I want to make sure everybody's using ZZ to its fullest right now. Okay, thanks for watching.